Hello everyone. In this video, I will be briefing you about FIN5823-1W1A, which is a new requirement. As a part of this activity, we will be creating a loan payment calculator using MS Excel. There are multiple essential activities that are given here. Make sure you cross-check them. However, two important documents that are very useful for creating the loan payment calculator are this one, FIN5823-W1A requirement, and this YouTube link. First, open this document, this FIN5823 requirement document, and you will be able to see different steps that are used in creating loan calculator. Just use these steps in MS Excel. By following these steps and using MS Excel tool, you can create a nice template that calculates loan payment amounts. Like this you will get. Okay, so this is how you will be getting the output after completing the document. Okay, please follow these steps and make sure you complete it according to the requirement. Okay, so don't mistake, use appropriate cells, use appropriate formulas, and make sure you follow exact steps to complete that. Next one, just cross check this loan payment this one. You can follow this one also to understand how loan calculator can be done. So this is also for just completing activity, but the main thing is you are supposed to follow this requirement document and complete the loan payment Excel sheet. That's it, team. Just help yourself and complete the template as quick as possible. Thank you.